Welcome to Wild Introduction, your sky-high stop for wild wonders. Today's feature, the Peregrine Falcon, the fastest animal on Earth. This bird can dive at over 300 kilometers per hour to catch its prey mid-air. That's faster than a Formula One car. With sharp eyesight and sleek wings, it hunts birds, bats, and even ducks, like a guided missile from above. You'll find them on cliffs, buildings, and even in cities across the world. And guess what? They're not just fast. They're also super stylish with dark gray feathers and a black mustache look. Now that's a Sky King. Stay tuned to Wild Introduction for more awesome creatures coming at you fast.